सही किया है ना? Okay, so Abhideep is here and he's come here to take the memory card because we're going to take some shots of Dominar 250. It's still drizzling and it's raining on the back road also. Abhideep, say hi. Hi. Okay, so with that said, let's start today's vlog. Yes, today's vlog is a continuation basically of the previous vlog. If you've not seen the previous vlog, please go and watch it. Then you'll understand what's going to happen in this vlog. Yeah, and the reason I'm keeping this segment is because comment segment is compulsory, right, for our vlogs till they keep flowing. And here's the first message is from Abhishek Singh, which says, "Hey bud, I'm from army and in Forge there's a very old and famous saying, Mushkil Waqt, Commander Sakt." Yes, sir. That is a good one, Abhishek. Thanks a lot. I'll keep that in mind. Boxpie says, "I'm considering to buy the new MacBook Air for editing and stuff. So please review it." On that note, I'll try my best to review that. And I think I have an Instagram follower on my YouTube channel also. So Hari Prasad says, "Raj, make a ramen in Indian style." So fusion food is good in certain cuisines, but in Japanese food, it's quite challenging. When I traveled to Japan, I did try to, kind of do that, and the Japanese people were like. Also, Jitu Jaya Prakashan says coffee and 2 emojis of coffee. He's definitely wondering where's the coffee gone, why so much of ginger tea happening on my channel. So 2 cases from my building have been cured by COVID, and there's a 3rd case which just came yesterday. So ginger tea is better for immunity, and that's why I've switched to ginger tea. But I do have coffee sometimes whenever I feel like, especially during my edits. So well, these were the top comments which I picked for the day. Now watch the continuation which will happen now. Okay, so I got wet again. I didn't take the umbrella, my mistake. I took a shower again. Now heading towards Siddhant. So literally I'm having protein since 2 days, but workout I've just done for 1 day. Seriously. Okay, Yakuza's parked. Do you see how clean it is? Damn. Yesterday's video you saw it dirty, right? And by the way, these lights look so good. You will see that kind of footage in my Dominar review because I was chasing Abhideep. Engine not bad, right? Next week when I'll do proper polish, I'll again brief you guys how it's done, because there are few messages coming to me that great job Raj, we understood. The more time we spend with the engine case, it shines. In fact, there are a lot of people who have actually done it in couple of days. It's not necessary you have to buff it the same day. Subah baitha hai, so sham tak khatam hona chahiye. It's not necessary. So you can take care like that. It's metal, nothing else. And how's Bugsy doing? Bugsy is dirty as hell. And I need to buy a cockroach spray. I mean, I don't have cockroaches in my car. I need to talk to this guy very seriously. You know what he does? He cleans his entire area and he collects it here, just near my car. Obviously I'll get roaches, man. This is season for roaches. So today I'll be getting bug spray, home supplies, everything is required today. And sorry for the bad lighting. That sweet sound of the Swift. Okay, so reached Siddhant's house below his building. He's gone up. His hands were very dirty, so I'm like, तू पहले हाथ धो के आ जा, फिर we'll see if this can be worked out. So he's coming down. कहते हैं मेहनत का रंग काला होता है ना. मतलब मुंह पे लगा लेना बेस्ट. ये देख, चारकोल क्रीम शर्ट पे भी निकलेगा. ओह शिट, आँखों में भी पूरा भर गया है. मतलब आप लोग देख रहे हो ना मेहनत.
So this is a slight bit different heat shrink.
This is what my dad used to use.
This one has glue in it.
Right. This is what my father used to use, because whenever things couldn't pass through bigger objects, he used to use something like this. This has glue, and when the glue melts, it sticks to the wire.
Correct. Right. So you can see that the glue from here.
Yeah, the glue is coming out.
The glue is coming out. Yeah. So even if I cut it and I wrap it around,
right,
it is still
gluing it
well.
So we can make this like a waterproof solution. Yes. For because I was only worried for water, man. So this was the situation on both ends of my adapter, but now we are adding this.
So this is not your conventional heat shrink. This heat shrink has glue in it, one, and second, this is a 1:4 heat shrink. Not the conventional ones are 1:2 heat shrink. This is a 1:4 heat shrink.
And plus this opens up. So
Yep.
the circular ones which are cheap and easily available, they will not pass through this. That's why we had to go for this. And Genius at his work again. My EDM guy at the go. Now I can review the bike hopefully tomorrow.
Yes.
So I was trying to be a car jockey today. So people will be wondering without a brace, how did he get that footage? So mic will be helpful also because using different device. So the previous shot which you saw, I used the audio from this. So this conversation we had last night at what, 3 o'clock in the morning? So आप लोग समझ गए, हम लोग 4 बजे तक वीडियो कॉल, चैट, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग ये सब करते हैं. It's fun. So last night or morning you can say we were talking about this. So he kept it prepared because he has a lot of welding work today. Because he's making a nice setup. Because अब मैंने vlog पे बोल दिया है ना setup. So मतलब भाई एकदम full on. The adapter I had bought for 3,000 rupees before my whiteout series. And during whiteout only this was wiped out. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen that I had put multiple tapes around my MacBook charger. It's still there. As far as it doesn't move, it's fine. But in a way, I will be putting heat shield on it and I'll sustain it for I think another year. Okay, so this is the final product and hopefully this will help me to do my next motovlog. In fact, it's become stronger at these points. Okay, so got the mic and this is my GoPro. Live testing. Went inside. Putting it on. Okay, let's see if the mic actually works and the next footage. So I've kept both my GoPro and the Canon G7X next to each other. I hope this works. If this works, this is gonna be awesome. And I should thank this guy a lot. And yeah, I'm gifting him my rack. A huge rack which I bought, which he can do DIY and make a fancy thing. But I hope this works. So fingers crossed. And I'll try to move it, hustle with it. Let's move it, see how it comes. And yeah, let's go. Let's go, Raj. Tap, tap. Chal. अभी चेक करते हैं मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ. This is so good. Can you hear that? Kept both my and the Canon G7X next to each other. Yep. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. This is the original GoPro adapter. Today's video concludes here. I hope you guys like this video. I was not about to vlog today, thinking these things keep happening in my life and his life too. But if you like such content, do comment down below because I will continue the journey this way. Because today was not exactly a motorcycle day and I thought I should skip it. But then I was like, let's give it a try. If you guys like it, I'll continue. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto. Sid, adios, amigos.